80 minutes has gone by. There are only 10 minutes of this challenge remaining. You are cooking for your lives to hold on to that MasterChef apron.
So the jus in the jug, now it comes Tyron's worst moment, to plate. Oh man. You know, I'm not the best at my plating.
And he kept on doing it over and over again. Seeing him do that to his plate of food was making me go crazy at that moment.
I'm confusing myself with this Michelin star part of it.
It wasn't of the right consistency to do a spread, and I was hoping that he would opt for another way.
Plan B. Nope, not that either. Yeah, that's not working.
Calm down. Everything's ready. You've got enough time.
I can work on that.
All right, guys, there's only 5 minutes left. You really do need to be plating up here now. Let's remember our guest of honor. Let's make Prue Leith proud.
I'm using the black Leiths because I have some colors going on, so I want my colors to pop.
I like to pride myself on my plating, which, you know, is that the Michelin star side.
Contestants, 60 seconds remain. Get it on that plate. Come on.
Come on, guys.
The boys are quite similar. I think that's going to be sort of splitting hair stuff. And then Leandri's just come with this dish from nowhere. The proof is going to be in the tasting to see how all of that comes together.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Stop cooking.
Wow. Nerve-wracking. I've tasted everything. I'm happy.
I've done justice to the brief today, so I just hope that my dish is one that makes the 3 today.
I feel satisfied. This is really a plate that I'm proud of, so whatever the verdict may be, it will be okay.
Good luck, Prue.
Good luck, Tyron.
My plating may not be up to Michelin standards, but the flavors and the inspiration that I've incorporated into my dish today, I really, truly feel is up there. Last but not least, I've done a pan-seared medallion of venison with a biltong and rosemary crust. I'm serving that with a rooibos-infused sweet potato, some buttered asparagus, and a meebos-sweetened red wine jus.
Today, you said this is it, you were cooking in your kitchen. How did that feel today?
It felt fantastic. If this is my last day, that's the dish I want to go out on.
You were focused, you didn't mess around, you didn't waste any steps. You just got on like a machine with getting the food down, and you could see that you were enjoying it and that you were not going to make any false moves. The only time you slipped up was when you got into a mess about how you were going to dish it out.
Yeah.
And I felt that was such a pity, because up till that minute you'd been perfect. That was a pity.
Should we have a taste, guys?
Yeah.
Tyron, this sauce is a bit too thin. It also smells winey. And honestly, if you had just boiled it down hard for 5 minutes with the lid off,
Yeah.
you would have had a thicker sauce, a sweeter sauce, no winey taste, and a richer sauce. The sauce is what connects all these things together. And everything else is perfect.
When you said biltong crust, I thought it sounds a bit odd, and is it going to be a bit dry? With mixing with the crumbs and the rosemary's got a lovely richness to it, and it works beautifully with the puree, which is, so you can see, super fine, beautifully seasoned. The sauce, you need it to reduce to just bring all those things together, because it was on its way to being heavenly, that sauce.
I think that your crust with that biltong and rosemary really just lifts the meat and it takes it to the next level. The sweet potato with the rooibos infusion in it is really, really great. It's really a good touch.
Every challenge you learn what you've done wrong and you try and correct it in the next challenge. And that's what we want to see on MasterChef. Good on you. I'm proud of you.
Tyrone, somebody's dish is going to be third best today.
Sure.
I have a feeling it's not because anybody slipped up. I think it's just going to be a case of someone's going to be outplayed.
Yeah, I respect that.
Thanks, Tyrone.
Thank you. Well done.
Thank you. I got to finally do a dish I was proud of, and I wouldn't have changed a thing.